Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chat Siri, or you can call me Siri for short. And in today's video, I'm gonna be updating my life with you and also talk about one of the amazing brands that I recently discovered, or rather they sent their products to me and I was so happy and so grateful about that because I have been wanting to try their products for a long time. But without any further ado, let's get into this video today. But first off, if you guys don't know, I'm actually in the cosmetologist school right now, but I'm not becoming a cosmetologist. I'm studying to become an esthetician, which I really enjoy the school, but it make me pretty busy. That's why I haven't been filming video at all, and I just chop off a lot of my hair, and this is how I look right now, and also get braces. This is my second month in and it's been awful, but it's worth it. So what do you guys think of this hairstyle? Let me know in the comment down below. But also, let's stop talking about myself today, because today I want to talk about this brand. Please don't butcher me if I say the brand name wrong, but this is from Dossier. I got two of the products right here. They are Perfume brand, and what they do is they reproduce a classic and high-end designer perfume in a cheaper, more affordable price. And they have a system called risk-free system. You can try the products before you buy them, and if you don't like the products, you can send it back and you get a refund. And because they want to keep it eco-friendly by reducing plastic and sample products, that's why they will send you a full-size products to try on. So don't be scared. And then if you end up don't like them, you can just send them back, and you have about 30 days to do that, which is really cool. But I'm sure that if you guys try them, you're probably gonna like them, because I really do like them too. So I got sent two products. I was able to choose the scent, and this is the box they come in. They come in a bigger box, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. So when you guys open it up, this is what it looks like. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. That's why they were able to keep their price low. And they sent a little card along with the bottle, and this is what the bottle looks like. I think this is the full-size bottle, which probably about $49, if not cheaper, because they don't sell product higher than $49, which is like amazing price. So I got two scents. This one is called Aquatic Peony, and the other one is called Fruity Jasmine. Oh, and just if I haven't said that, this full size is about 50 ml, so it will last you for a long time, unless you shower with it. And like I said earlier, the bottle is made of glass, and the cap is actually magnetic, so you can take it to your trip and no spilling. So the Aquatic Peony is inspired by Giorgio Armani Acqua di Giorgia Eau de Perfume. I'm sorry guys, I don't speak French, so forgive me, but I will include a little bottle right here to see what it's actually inspired by, so you guys know what I'm talking about. And the notes of it is top notes mint, blackcurrant, lemon, aquatic accord. Middle notes peony, jasmine, pink pepper. Base notes cedarwood and labdanum. I have no idea what that is, but I already tried both of the scents and I love them very much. And the other one is called Fruity Jasmine, which is inspired by J'adore Eau de Perfume. Top notes mandarin, green leaves, sweet pea. Middle notes jasmine. I have no idea how to say this word. Ylang champaca peach and base notes, sandalwood, plum, and musk. And both of the scents are very subtle. They last all day. I go to school about 8 in the morning and I come home about 3 in the afternoon. So by half day, I will stop noticing the smell, but other people still notice when this like come close to me. And I actually got compliment from one of the clients that I smell nice and makes me pretty happy. And now I'm gonna talk about their price range. Their price start from $29 and go up $49. Depends on the scent and the size. And unfortunately, I don't have the actual designer scent that these two are based on, so I cannot give you a comparison. But whenever they come out with the scent that I already own, I will try to get them and do a comparison, but I'm sure that they are the same quality. And you can always do a return and exchange, and they are free to do so. And if you buy a lot of products at once, you get up to 25% discount, and you get free shipping if you buy 3 bottles and up. As right now, they don't have a lot of options on their website, but they're always making new one to add on, so you guys should check them out. I highly encourage you to check them out if you love perfume like me, but you don't want to spend a lot of money on them. So if you guys enjoy this video, let me know in the comment down below, or if you just like my hair, if you just want to say hi to me. So just let me know in the comment down below, and I miss you guys so much, and hopefully I will be back on YouTube very soon. And I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.